everybody!
Hi guys!
Welcome to Southern Belles. My name's Wanda.
And I'm Rebecca.
And we are here today with a box that is new to me.
Yes, it is brand new for us.
And I have been looking at this probably for about 6 months, and because I saw people getting some really nice stuff. And it is the Wantable
Yay!
Active Edit.
I'm so excited for this one.
Now I have never done Wantable before, but I do know that it comes in several different edits. It has a men's part, a men's edit. It has a women's edit, style edit, and then it has the active edit. And I also think they're having some like themed edits right now.
Oh no, that's cool.
So I kind of kept putting it off, and then recently I have started working out again. Yay! I need to just to build up some strength, some breathing strength. And so my workout clothes, I have some, but I needed a few more. Right. You know, so I'm anxious to get in here and see.
And you were hoping for what shorts in this one?
Yeah, shorts that are comfortable, but yet, you know, a good length for me. Mm-hmm. And actually a sports bra too.
Okay.
Because those are some things that I need. So we are going to open it and see what's here.
Let's get started. Oh, I see a bundle.
Look.
Oh, cool. There's a sticker with her name on it.
Style for Wanda.
Cool.
Okay, and there's a bundle. I'm going to take the bundle out.
Okay.
And I'm going to look. Oh, there's some pretty color. There's some dark.
There's some pretty blues.
And I don't have a problem with the dark because shorts and all. This is kind of the way that I go. So that must be all the...
You've got this and we've got you.
It has 7 items in here, so that's a little bit different than some of the others. Most of the others have 5. Right. Except maybe Transcend. Send back returns and exchanges in your prepaid return envelope. Yeah, there was a $20 styling fee, which will be applied to anything that I purchase.
Anything, so not just if you buy everything, but anything that you purchase.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And there's also a stream that they do that you can go to, and it has like just tons of items, and you just, if you like it, you know, if you like it or you don't like it. It's not like and don't like. I forget how they have it put down there, but you can kind of give them an idea of your style, and actually it asks you what kind of activities you do.
Oh, wow.
So, yeah. So I'm anxious.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh, more paperwork. So you'll return your way. Here is the prepaid envelope. And right on top, I see a black tank.
What does it say?
Oh, does it say something?
Weekend Warrior.
Oh,
yeah.
I like that. I like the way it feels too.
I like the way it feels too.
Yeah.
I like that.
I like that style.
It's very soft.
It's a rounded neck, but it comes down a little bit. You know, it's not like right up against you and everything. So I like that. And it's flowy on the bottom.
Cool.
So, okay.
That was nice. I'm going to put this back here.
Okay, what is this?
It's a light jacket.
Oh, I need a light layer. Oh, isn't that a pretty color?
That is so pretty.
And I'm wanting to think that this was actually on the stream that I said that I liked.
Oh, cool. They must have been paying attention.
Yeah, and it's thin enough for here in the South.
And for our trip.
Yeah. So, okay, I really, really like that.
I like that too.
Okay, here's another tank, and that's a pretty color
I like this one a lot.
You know,
this one feels like it'd be really cool.
It's a little thinner than the black one. The bottom's different. It's not as rounded or as flowy, but it's still...
Oh, I like that.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, and then here is a sports bra.
That one's pretty.
I'm looking to see Skechers. I like Skechers. Okay, here are the first pieces, and I am in love with how they feel.
She looks so cute, too.
I love, this is so soft, and I love the length of it because it covers me, but yet it's not overwhelming. I like the width up here because I could also wear this tank with just like some jean shorts, I think that would be cute, you know, and when we go to Disney, I could wear it either with denim or I could wear it even with white.
Oh yeah, you can wear it with anything.
You know? So, and here's what it looks like in the back. I didn't really look at the back. I think it's just kind of regular though.
That's so cute.
Now the arms do come down, but that's okay because I have the sports bra on under, the Skechers sports bra.
And it just looks like another tank.
Yeah, and it's that purple. And like I said, I'm not going to show you. I'm not going to do that to you. But, I have a hard time with sports bras, or any kind actually, because of my mastectomy. This one feels good, and I can't usually say that, but it feels good and it feels comfortable, and I know, I can tell you already, I'm going to keep this one, just because that doesn't happen anymore, you know.
And she doesn't know this yet, but the price is good too. Oh,
yeah, tell us the prices, because I don't, I wouldn't look.
So the price of the joggers are $59. The price of the tank is $42. And the price of the sports bra is $24.
Oh, wow. That's very good.
It's very good.
Yeah, that's good. This was a little more expensive than I thought it would be.
Right.
So, I don't know. We'll see at the end, because you do get a 20% off discount if you keep 5 items, I believe.
Is it 20% or $20?
20%.
20% off?
And then you get your $20 styling fee off on top of that as well.
Right.
So, I think that's, well, I'll be sure. We'll tell you for sure at the end. This is so comfortable. And the joggers, we didn't talk about the joggers. The back is, I won't say that it's extremely flattering to me in the back, but I would usually have a shirt down over it anyway. But they feel amazing now, okay? I know we're in South Carolina. It's upper 80s to mid 90s probably on any given day with lots of humidity. I probably would not be wearing these now, but, and I don't usually do this, but this is an item that I like so well that if I keep them, or I would consider buying them right now for later. And I do have them pulled up. They do come down long, but I don't like my pants when they're like this to fit me there, so I would pull them up like this just because that's the way.
It's cute like that too.
It's cooler.
Yeah, I like it like that.
It's a lot cooler, so I think these are cute. This would be perfect when my husband and I go walking early in the mornings on cooler days and everything. And you said these were $50-something though?
They are $59.
$59, so
that's it.
Yeah. I've got a lot of things to consider because I'm not going to go crazy just because they feel so good, but I will consider it. I will definitely consider it when I sit down and I look at the different ways I can wear them. I don't know that these are the joggers that you could dress up. I see some people dressing joggers up because they are that thick sweatshirt type material. I don't know. Maybe you do. Maybe you do dress these kind up, but I don't know that I would. All right, and what did you tell us the brand names?
So the brand name of the tank top is Glider. The brand of the joggers is Mark New York. And the brand of the sports bra is Skechers.
Okay. Can you tell I'm excited? I'm getting
so excited.
But I really do like this. I like this,
cool.
All 3 pieces. I just have to see. I just have to figure out what it would be with the discount and this, that, and the other. So
I like those pieces.
I do too. All right, well, I'm going to go get another one. Okay, so it took a lot of courage for me to come out with these on.
You're fine.
But I will say, I wish they were a little bit longer, you know, an inch, inch and a half, maybe 2 inches. But because they're really, really super comfortable, and they are that pretty tie-dye, which I don't have any.
The color is really pretty.
But I'm going to turn around really quick. They have the drawstring waist. They are very comfortable, and I think the price list ended up over here. I'm going to hand it to Rebecca real quick.
Okay, so the price of the shorts is $49. The price of the sports bra is $50. The sports bra is a Glider, and the shorts are also Mark New York.
Okay, now let's talk about the sports bra. You can see a little bit of it. It is very comfortable too. I like the other one better. The other one's more supportive and it's also cheaper.
And it's also cheaper, yeah.
But this one's really cute though. It's cute in the back. But then I start thinking, okay, nobody's going to see it.
Right.
This will be about as much as will be visible at any given time, if this much. So, but I do like it. It's really cute and everything. So there are my other two pieces, and I have, well, actually I have a couple more things to try on.
Yay!
And here is the other tank, which is funny because I thought I was going to like this one better than I liked the black one when I took it out and saw the shape and also saw how cool it was. But I think because of the thinness of it, it's clinging to everything that I don't necessarily want it to cling to.
I think I like the black one better.
I do too.
So this is the Task NOLA tank in sky blue, and it's $38.
$38.
So it is cheaper.
It is, and like I said, it's cool. It's very cool.
Yeah.
And I don't know, maybe I could pair it with something. I don't know, I'm going to have to play around with it because I do like it. I just don't like how clingy it is.
Right.
So we'll see. I'll play around with it, and if so, fine. If not, that's okay too.
It's money saved.
I have one more item to try on. And this is the last item. It is this little jacket. And I do like the color so much. And I like how thin it is.
It's really cute.
It would be perfect for those cooler nights, or, you know, there are some of those. Or even at the beach, if you go down there and the breeze is blowing.
And she's really going to like the price of this one.
Yay.
So this is the Cora Hooded Tee in Robin's Egg by Coliseum, and it is $26.
Oh wow, okay.
I think that's going to be a keeper.
So pretty. And I do have it on, I have it on over that last tank that I tried on, so that might not be the best thing to have it on over, but you know, if it's a jacket, you're going to put it on whatever you have at the time.
It is so cute.
I love it. I love how it feels. Wantable, you did such a great job. My stylist name was Amanda, and she did great. This is the very first time, you know, very first edit.
She knows you well.
Yeah. The only thing is we might have to talk about is the length of short.
Right.
But, you know, I'm not even sure that I specified that when I was writing my note and everything, but I know to do that now. And, yeah, so we're going to sit down here in just a second, and we're going to see what all this totals up to, and yeah,
what
just
to keep,
a recap.
what not to keep, and all that good stuff.
Okay, so back with the total, and I know that Wantable is a little more expensive styling box, so I was kind of a little nervous about it,
right,
and everything. But the total of this box for 7 pieces is $288.
I feel like that's very comparable with Stitch Fix.
Yeah, it is. I'm trying to, let's see, that'd be about $41 an item,
yeah,
more or less,
roughly,
give or take. If you keep 5, then the discount would be $57.60. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and that would give you an order subtotal of $230.40.
That's pretty good.
And then your styling fee credit of $21.40, and then by the time you add your sales tax back, you know, it ends up being $225.13. And I'm sure that is considering what 5 items you keep.
Right.
If you keep 5 items.
That's pretty good.
I did sign up with someone's link, but I signed up a long time ago and didn't order a box, so I don't know if maybe the link expires.
Right.
Because sometimes you do get some credit from that as well. So I don't think, I can't see where I got that or not. So.
Did you see your note?
Yeah, but I might have to let you read it.
So she has a note from her stylist. It says, "Hi Wanda, welcome to your first active edit. I had so much fun putting together looks that work well for anything your day throws at you, whether it's a workout, working from home, or even just for lounging around. Be sure to let me know what you love and don't love, or if you have something specific we can work together on for your next edit. Can't wait to hear what you think. Don't forget, if you keep 5 or more pieces, you get 20% off." And it even has a little picture of her.
Okay.
So you know who.
Oh.
Style.
Okay, she looks like a lovely person.
She does.
Pretty small. Okay, so the order total is $225.13, but that's if you keep all 7 items. So we definitely know no. And it's not because they're not as cute as they can be. It's just, yeah, I would not feel comfortable in these, and I'm not saying that other people shouldn't. I just know I wouldn't.
Right.
So we know that is a no, and those were $49, I believe.
Yes.
The other one that I've got it on still, but it's the blue tank. I'm kind of leaning towards no on that one, just because of the clinginess. And that one was what, 20? No, that was $38.
Yeah, almost $38.
Oh, that makes me feel a lot better.
Yeah. It's more expensive.
Yeah. Okay, so if I did keep 5, I would keep both of the sports bras. I still have one on. This is the other one. It was worth the box just for this.
Oh yeah, that was so nice.
Yeah, so that makes me really happy. I like the black tank.
That looked cute on you.
The Weekend Warrior.
I like that.
You know, I was an outlaw in one of Rebecca's.
She was. She got a shirt that said Legendary Outlaw.
It was like one of those surprise boxes that she gave me for Mother's Day. Was that on this channel or your channel?
It was on my channel.
Your channel. Her Disney channel, Dole Whip a Day, if you haven't seen that one.
Check it out.
And, yeah, so now I'm a warrior too. I'm an outlaw and I'm a warrior. But I'm almost a definite yes with the black.
Yeah.
I like the black. I like the way the black looks. I hope it won't be super hot.
Yeah, I don't think it will be.
Yeah.
I don't know.
With it being a tank style and everything.
It's like an airy tank, so hopefully not.
I love this jacket. So there's my Wantable. I don't know if there's a link. I'm not sure. I think there is an influencer program that they have, but I'm not involved with it at the moment anyway. But if there is some kind of link where you could get something off of a box or something, I will definitely put it in the description box. If you haven't tried it, if you would like workout wear, or if you'd like a style edit from them, they've got some really cute style edits too. Well, I'm not going to get one anytime soon. But
I want to get one.
But I'll put that link in the description box, and I will tell you that this is quality, or at least what I received in this box is quality, or quality items, and
definitely.
Yeah, and I'm pleased with the prices. I do think they can be pricier, but if you go on that stream line, and they give you the chance to put what your price preferences are. You know, you can put that in and you can see. But there we go.
Yay!
So Wantable and Active Edit, and thank you for joining us. If you haven't subscribed, we've got some new subscribers out there, and we do want to say thank you for subscribing.
Yes.
We'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. We'd love for you to comment so that we can get to know you a little bit better.
That's part of the fun of this, is just getting to know you guys.
Yeah, it definitely is. Well, until next time, have a great day.
Y'all take care.
Bye-bye.